Welcome to week 2. This week, we're answering a fundamental question about the regulatory life cycle. And at the surface, that question may seem simple or even easy to answer. And that question is, where do we begin? Where does that regulatory life cycle start? And when talking about food regulations, as we'll get into in the audio lecture, it's not as easy as it may seem, given the wide range of federal agencies and state agencies that have regulations that touch on food. It's not just the FDA and USDA. And even when talking about our two primary food agencies, the FDA and USDA FSIS, the answer isn't any easier. We can still think of the complexities and how those starting points can move over time. The starting point wasn't the same pre-1906, it wasn't the same in 1938, and now for the FDA, when we have Food Safety Modernization Act, that line has moved again. So we can see that there's some questions about how that point is fixed, how we decide where that point begins, and what regulatory stakeholders are in and which regulatory stakeholders are out. So we're going to continue, we're going to pick up this discussion in the audio lecture and get into some more detail, and I'll join you there.